Hello YouTube, the Milkman68 here. Once again, my desk is messy. Definitely going to clean it tomorrow though, considering, whatchamacallit, that I'm getting ready for Snowmageddon, so, that's gonna be fun. Tonight's gonna be cool. Dawn roast break at Cardsmith Breaks. I know you guys haven't seen a lot of stuff I've got from Cardsmith Breaks in a while. Yeah, I apologize for that. Just been really busy and whatnot. I did have a signed puck collection video ready to go. I don't know if it got uploaded. I'm pretty sure it didn't. Otherwise, I would have had comments on that video, I'm sure. You just gotta love my phone. It didn't upload in time before I left, so yeah. Anyway, surprisingly, I got 4 things in the mail today. One of them is not trading card. One of them is not card related, so we'll save that for last. I'm actually glad these came now. I'll see if I can do a video tomorrow. I do have one in mind, and it is related to cards I got from breaks. We have 3 envelopes here. Let's start off with this first one. I don't know what's in this one. I honestly, other than the box, I really don't know what's in here. Probably fire sale purchases, maybe a single card purchase, I don't know. This one came already? Jeez, that was fast. Okay. Yeah, this March 10th. 3 days ago. And this already came. Alright, that hockey card on the back is pretty cool. What we have here is a Dan Marino for my Dan Marino collection. Feature stars of Gong, even though who knows what's going to happen with him. We have a Starling Marte from Chrome. And then this really awesome Huron Prospect jersey of Martin and Jeremy Brodeur. I thought this was a pretty cool card. I didn't really have many Brodeur patches. This was $7, so I'm like, why the heck not? Surprised I got that one already, though. Alright, we'll go with this next small package. Come on. Oh, I always like when they give cardboard. That's good when you're shipping out products. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, yes. Alright, this is awesome. This card is one I wanted to get from a fire sale. Missed out on it. And then the guy who bought it actually put up a RAS for it, and sure enough, I won the RAS. Before I show that card, let's just show these. I was about to say, in case there's a pirate. I remember Russell Martin, so that's pretty cool. On your eBay. Sorry. Hey, I remember Soriano. L.A. Johnson, Regard. Russell Martin, ex-Yankee, ex-Pirate. And here it is, the beautiful Jameson tie-on orange. Numbered 38 of 50 from Bowman's Best, which is a set I love. Even though I've never opened Bowman's Best, just from all the case breaks I've been in of Bowman's Best. Fun product. Love Tyon, obviously love Glasnow. Kind of wish he pitched better today. It happens. But here's the biggest package. Bigger doesn't mean most, but I'm pretty sure this will have the most cards in it. I like that little thank you. Oh, and that's... Oh, I like how he taped that. That was kind of easy to take. Yeah, these... See, I love when they use the blue painter's tape. Or just any tape like this. I know I say that a lot in videos, but Trust me, guys, when you get packages where it's just regular Scotch tape, you're just like, why? Oops. Obviously, this isn't anything hockey. I've not purchased many hockey cards lately. Actually, all the forms of hockey cards have come from breaks. Like, Fleer Showcase comes out this Wednesday, I think. I have the Sharks in that. I might pick up the Devils if they're still available, because there's a lot of Zaka in there I would like to get. Oh, and I have the Lightning in a different one. Not one from Cardsmith Breaks, but one on YouTube. So, see what that is. Pretty sure this is more Pirates. Yeah. More Pirates is always a good thing. Is that Tyon or Glasnow? I don't know. Who? Ah, come on. Oh, it's Cole. Good job, Rob. Totally forgot about Cole. Can't forget about the Cole train. Let me just take all the tape off first. I have a lot more stuff coming in the mail this week. Couple PC cards. Hockey purchases I think we'll get next week because of the snowstorm. Or I should say blizzard. I am under a blizzard warning here in New Jersey. Oh, the first card is very nice, actually. I remember this now. Whoop! So just wanted to fall out. Yep, I remember this one. I'll show the first card went out. Yeah. Just want to get all the top loader cards out of there. Right, all the cards that are in top loaders out. I'll do in this order. This is the last one I'm going to put in my one of my collection binders that has all my Pirates autos. Except for a Glasnow auto. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in my Glasnow PC or just keep it in the what you call it, auto binder. But Willie Stargell, Burnett, McCutcheon. That'll go in the McCutcheon binder. All three of these will actually go in the McCutcheon binder. We have a Cervelli foil, which I don't think my phone's going to pick up for... Oh, there we go. We have Cervelli and a Tyon... Whoop. Tyon foil. I have a Glasnow foil coming in too, which I'm really happy about. I think this is Atomic. Atomic Cole from Platinum. And then an Eric Weiss auto. That's a gold paper, number to 50? Yep, 35 of 50. I forgot how much I paid for this, but it was a pretty good price. Might have been 15 or 17, I don't remember, but always cool to get a Bowman's first gold paper auto for that price. I know there's a Chad Cool I can get, but it's 55. And I bought a lot of football cards, so pretty much broke. Anyway, now for the granddaddy of this video, which you will probably see in the background of my videos from now on. But this beautiful, beautiful goalie mask. Oh my god, it's from KB Toys? Damn, it's been a while. I mean, damn, I never thought I'd see KB Toys ever again. But, here's the back. Here's the side. And here we are. A beautiful mini autographed goalie mask of Evgeny Nabokov. I got this bad boy for only $20. I'm so happy I have this. And you guys let me know, should I keep it in the box or take it out of the box? I probably want to take it out of the box just so we can see it in all its glory. But what I love about this helmet is it has the old Sharks shoulder patch and the old logo, which I do prefer. And that's how I knew it was from KB Toys, which I think is funny. That's really awesome. And then there's the side of the helmet. Yeah, I'm just really happy I ordered this. You know, Marlo and Nabokov are pretty much the reasons why I'm a Sharks fan. and when I saw this posted in a Facebook group I'm in, had to pick it up. And I'm actually gonna have to message the guy after this video, after I'm done recording, to let him know that the helmet came safe and sound, and I really appreciate it. Love it. I always love getting memorabilia stuff. You guys will see that whenever that video gets uploaded. If I have to whatchamacallit? If I have to re-record that video, I have no problems doing that. My signed pucks are still on the floor right now anyway. And that's because I want to, when I clean up my room, I do want to dust the top of there finally. Because I kid you not, those signed pucks have been there for months. Just sitting there. So, anyway. That's going to do it for this Mailday video, guys. I will survive the blizzard. I just hope I do not lose power, because if I lose power, I'm very limited with recording, because, you know, my phone dies whenever it feels like it now. It could be at 64%, it could be at 70%, and it just decides to die. I am getting a new phone, which is a good thing, because I'll probably just, since I don't have another way of recording videos, I'll just use this phone as recording, because I can still use it for that even though it won't have data or anything. Because it has micro SD, and I'm not sure if the Google Pixel, which is the next phone I want to get, allows micro SD cards. If it does, cool. If it doesn't matter. I'll just keep using this as a camera. That's even better, because then I can show you guys, I can update you guys with my Fire Emblem Heroes team and whatnot, which is something I've really wanted to do. I'm loving that game, and I found out Rebecca is going to be a focus unit, which made me so happy. But anyway. Oh, I'm speaking as if, whatchamacallit? Speaking as if I'm on my other channel. Anyway, on my other channel, I forgot on my bracket to vote for Rebecca, but it didn't matter anyway, because she's going to be in the game. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'll keep you guys, I wish I could say keep you guys updated on the storm and whatnot, but I can't, because I need to do social media for this page, I guess. Or, I meant, for this channel. Why not? That'll be in the future. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye for now. Love the Nabby. Embrace the Nabby. I don't know what I'm saying.